Hey guys, Scott here today. I'm really excited to do an unboxing and review of the Apple Watch. This is the Ultra 2 and I just got it in, so I wanted to unbox it so you can see exactly what you get. And I'm actually replacing my old Apple Watch with this new one. I'll take this off. Let's jump into this. I'm going to open it up here, and pretty cool case. This is what comes in it right here. And it has information, of course, on your Apple Watch. And I'm going to get into the box and then the band. And one of the reasons I got this is I really like the fact that it has an extended battery life. Couple tabs on the back here. And pull these off. And they say it has a 36-hour battery life. And that was one of my complaints with the old watch, is the short battery life. And right here is the 49mm titanium case. This thing is sharp. And right there is my watch, the Ultra 2. This is exactly what you get. And right here is my charger as well. Open it up here. And right here is my charger, and I'm going to move some of this out of the way. And then as far as the bands, you get a few different bands that you can choose from here, and you also get to choose from a few different colors as well. And I chose this one right here. That's the band, and I have the GPS and cellular, and looking forward to getting it hooked up and putting it to use. I really like the large face of this watch. I think it's going to look great.